Hey friends, welcome back to another tutorial video, and today in this video I will show you how to make an RFID based door access control system using Arduino. This system will provide only access to the registered tags, not for non-registered tags. We can add multiple tags for the system also. As we can see, when I'm tapping the registered tags, the door is unlocking for 3 seconds and locking itself again after 3 seconds. And now when I trying to scan unregistered tag, the door lock is not opening and it's showing one message, access denied. So without any further ado, let's quickly get started. For this project I am using Arduino EK board. We can even use Arduino UNO or else Nano also. Connections will be same for both. One breadboard, RFID RC522, LCD display with I2C, a single channel relay, a couple of RFID tags, a couple of jumper wires, a 12 volt adapter. We can even use a 12 volt battery also, a 12 volt solenoid door lock, and a buzzer. If you don't have time to make entire the project, or else if you don't have idea regarding the project making of Arduino, we do provide complete ready-made project along with all components at very lowest cost. Please do contact to the number which have been provided in the description down below. Now follow the connection instructions and make your connections. And that's all for the connections part. Let's move to our laptop screen for the coding part. Cross check your connections part before moving to the coding part. If you want personal paid project help also, we do provide. Please do contact to the number which have been provided in the description down below. So this is the first code which we need to install. Before uploading the code, we need to install the library which is called MFRC522. So you can simply search here in the library manager. You can find the MFRC522 library, and we need to simply install, and we need to upload the code. Here in our project I am using Arduino UNO R4. For your case you can use Arduino UNO R3 also. I am using Wi-Fi variant, so we can use Arduino UNO normal variant also. And as we can see, the code is uploaded successfully without any errors, and we need to open serial monitor and set the baud rate as 9600, and here we need to tap the RFID tag. As we can see, we are getting different kind of numbers for different RFID tag. So we need to copy them and paste in our next code, which we need to upload again. So this is the second code which we need to upload. Make sure you have installed these libraries as previous. As we can see, I have copied and pasted in line number 15 and 16 the RFID tag numbers. That means those RFID tags are accessed tags. Now this is the time to upload the final code to our Arduino. So as we can see, the code is uploaded into our Arduino board without any errors, and let's see the final output. You can find the code and circuit instructions in the description down below. Please find and make sure you have subscribed the channel before accessing it. And if you want to purchase complete kit, please do contact to the number which have been provided. So that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. Then do hit that like button and also share this video among with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe for more such videos, and I will see you in the next one.